Hi, I'm Chetan. I'm working with Fusion Business Solution Private Limited from past 13 years. Today I'm going to share my experience and business of my company, how we can assist you and how we can help you in your business, how we can fulfill your requirement and needs. So let's continue with me. I started my career as a sales guy in a telecom company SR. Now we are known as a Vodafone. I worked with this company for 5 years. After that I moved to the finance sector Tata. Unfortunately in 2008 I met with an accident and I had to leave this domain. But I very much enjoyed within this domain. I got too many opportunities in terms of career and personal growth. Then I tried for operational jobs, and Fusion showed his trust in me and gave me a chance in September 2008. Before the lead generation, I was working on a medical billing kind of project. The story was interesting. How I came in the lead generation. Fusion was the company that started doing lead generation in Udaipur, and at that time I was the first guy, the first staff whom the company gave this opportunity. I struggled too much in the initial days because at that time I was not friendly with internet research, and at that time very little number and tools were available over the internet for the lead generation. But still we have a good number of clients who are associated with us from last 8 to 9 years for their lead generation requirements, and I'm thankful to them to keep their trust in us. Now after spending too much time in this domain, I learned too many things, and day by day it's enhancing my skills. Really I am enjoying in my yard because there is no limit or any foundation in this field for me. I am totally free. I'm a part of Fusion family since 2008. My current position is Assistant Manager of Marketing Research and Lead Generation. During this tenure, I performed in various domains like operation, quality, medical process, etc. As Assistant Manager of Marketing Research and Lead Generation, I am responsible for helping generate high revenue for my company and clients by lead generation, sourcing contacts, running marketing campaigns, and assisting salespeople to convert them into revenues. I'm handling a team of 20 plus people who are generate leads for the new business and run the email campaign show. Additionally, I do research on new market domains and industries that are in top trend to expand the market and new businesses. In the marketing division, we have to update ourselves according to new trends. Before preparing any future plans, first we do research on a particular domain, manpower, and identify the required skills and team mates according to needs. It's my basic rule to identify the right person on the right place. Without experiment, we can't learn new things. But whenever we are near any deadline, at that time we do not make any experiment. It will directly affect your deadline so that we can meet the deadline and our plan executed in the good manner. I would suggest to all my teammates who recently joined the marketing division in any organization, always enjoy our work instead of only complete the things and work. Each day we will get new challenges, and through these challenges we will learn new things, and that will be the solution for others. And at the end, you will become a good mentor for them. We need to understand this is a digital era, and each organization wants a lot many business opportunities, and it's not possible to create good chunks of customers from only the internal network. The best way to reach the maximum prospect is lead generation, and if you have a good hand on it, it means you have a lot many prospects for your clients. You can promote your clients' businesses on the next step. The company was started its business very small, with a small number of clients. Now we have 3 international presence. Our current team size is more than 450 plus, with the 400 plus clients. As I said, Fusion is a family. The atmosphere of the company is too friendly. If you have a creativity and you want to explore the skills, you are in the right place. We are not the only business oriented kind of companies. We are also a consultant for our clients. We have too many experts in various divisions like in MS Office, admin kind of tasks, and the different industry, particular industry experts. There are a lot many things here. We build trust and people, and it's my wish year by year we will grow with your support, faith and love. Thank you.